Imagine trying to start an online business, invest in US stocks, or get paid in dollars, but every time you apply for a US bank account, you get rejected. No SSN, no address, no chance, right? Not anymore. In this video, I'll show you exactly how non-US residents can open a US bank account in 2026, legally, step by step, without an SSN. This is not theory. These are real methods people are using right now. Freelancers, entrepreneurs, and investors worldwide. And I'll also show you which banks actually accept non-residents, the mistakes that get you rejected instantly, and the fastest method that works even from your home country. Let's be clear, this is not just about having a bank account, it's about access. Get paid in USD through freelancing, YouTube, Shopify. Use platforms like Stripe, PayPal, Amazon. Invest in US stocks and ETFs. Build global financial credibility. Without a US account, you're basically locked out of the biggest financial system in the world. Here's the truth most videos won't tell you. US banks are strict because of anti-money laundering laws, identity verification rules, tax compliance. That's why they usually ask for SSN, US address, proof of residency. But don't worry, there are legal workarounds. This is the best option for most people. Popular options: Wise, formerly TransferWise, Mercury for businesses, Payoneer. What you need: passport, email, phone number. These platforms partner with real US banks, but have simplified onboarding for non-residents. Wise gives you real US account details, routing number plus account number. If you're serious about business, this is powerful. Register a US LLC in Wyoming or Delaware. Get an EIN tax ID. Open a business bank account with Mercury or Relay. No SSN required. Full access to US financial system. Looks professional. This takes more effort, but gives maximum control and credibility. Yes, you can still do it the traditional way. Banks that may allow it: Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo. Requirements: passport, visa, US address sometimes required. Approval is not guaranteed, depends on branch and officer. Avoid these at all costs. Fake address, incorrect documents, using VPN during verification, mismatched identity details. One mistake, and your account can be permanently blocked. If you're just starting, go with Wise or Payoneer. If you're building a business, create a US LLC plus Mercury account. If you want full banking experience, visit the US and try a traditional bank. Opening a US account does not mean you owe US taxes automatically. You may need to fill W-8 form. If you run a business, taxes may apply. Always check with a tax professional if you scale. Here's the fastest method: sign up on Wise, verify your identity, get US account details, start receiving payments, done. No SSN needed. If this video helped you understand how to open a US bank account as a non-resident, hit the like button and subscribe for more real-world finance strategies. And if you want a full step-by-step video on creating a US LLC from your country, comment LLC below. I'll make that next.